Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to do the fifth step of the Rubik's Cube. So, let's get to it. So, as you can see here, first thing you have to do is you have to check if you actually fully did the fourth step. So, how you do that is you have to see if there's a yellow cross, and I do have a yellow cross. Right now you shouldn't worry about the corners, so ignore that corner right there. And I do have a yellow cross. So let's look at the first case here. This is called the fish case. Fish number 2 case. Because it looks like a fish, first of all. If you put it like that, it looks like a fish, kind of. And then there's that thing, there's the yellow piece right there. So to solve this case, and to solve any other case, all you have to do is that algorithm right there. So that algorithm says R prime U R U2 R prime. So as you can see, that solved the whole fifth step. But let's look at another case where it doesn't actually solve the fifth step and what we should do there. So this is a fish number 1 case, because as you can see, it still looks like a fish from the top to bottom, but it doesn't have the yellow piece right here. So to solve this case, all you have to do is that algorithm, R prime U U2 R prime, and that makes us go to this fish number 2 case. Fish case number 2. So we can just do that algorithm again, and we get a solved fifth step. So let me show you another case where there isn't going to be a solved fifth step after we do that algorithm. Let's look at this case right here. This has a cross and no extra corners on the top. But as you can see here, there's 2 yellow pieces on the same side on the front, and one here and one here. If there's 2 yellow pieces on the same side like this here, we call them headlights. In this case, there's only one headlight. There's only one pair of headlights. And in the next one, you'll see where there's 2 headlights, 2 pairs of headlights here and behind there, but we'll talk about that later. So how you do this one is all you have to do is turn these headlights to this side, the left side, and we can get started by doing the same algorithm like that. And as you can see, that gets us to our fish case, fish number 2. So we can just do that algorithm again, and we'll get a solved fifth step. So let's look at another case where you can't solve it by just doing it once. Okay, so we have this case here that I talked about before. 2 pairs of headlights on the front and the back. So to solve this one, all you have to do is hold it anywhere on the side where there's no headlights, and just do this algorithm again, the algorithm, and then you'll get here. So then you can just do the algorithm again. Basically the same thing as the other case before. So let's look at a different one. Here's a unique one here. This case looks kind of like a fish. But it has 2 heads. Pretty weird if you ask me. But to do this one, we'll have to have a yellow piece on our right side here, like that, right here. We can't use this one because that's on the left side. Right side here, right here. And then we'll do that same algorithm again, and we'll get us here, which is another case. So I'll teach you how to solve this case right here. So all you have to do is just do that same algorithm over and over again. So it gets you right here. You can just do that same algorithm again, and you'll see that it gets to our fish number 2 case. So we can just do that algorithm again, and you get a solved thing. So that was a 2-in-1 case. So it was really lucky. So let's do a different one. Okay, here we have another case that looks exactly identical to the one we saw before, but it doesn't have headlights. And if you remember what headlights are, write them down in the comments below. Okay, so let's get to solving this case. All you have to do is, where it's like this, you turn it to the side right here, so you can see only one yellow piece right here on the left side, and you can just solve it by doing the same algorithm again. Like I said, this must be really boring to you by this point, but that's the only algorithm that we're going to be using in this whole step. So we have this fish number one case again, and then you can just do the same thing again, and you'll get this fish number 2 case. Do that, and you'll get the solved 5th step. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you had fun, learned something, and I hope you learned how to solve the 5th step today. Bye. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you like this video. And bye. See you in my next video.